In this video, I'm going to be giving away a pair of the ultimate bolt bags from Building America, USA. Stay tuned. I've got a lot of questions about my bolt bags on the job site and on social media. Basically, my whole entire career, I've worn a set of custom black bolt bags. In 2012, when I first got in Portland, there was a huge boom, so we had boomers everywhere. One of the boomers, named Kenny, aka Black Kenny, still a good friend of mine today. If you're watching, shout out to Kenny, you're the man. I will see you a bar soon. He was one of the first connectors I ever see connect, and he taught me a lot of stuff. He might not even know how much he taught me, because I was in the gang as an apprentice, and I just kind of watched him, and while running around doing stuff, I was just watching him and his partner. His partner's Ryan Barrett, shout out to him too. He's bad at the bone. He's taught me a bunch of stuff too. He's actually been in a few videos of mine connecting a few years ago. But he had the hook on these cool black bolt bags. He was the only person to have them. Only person. And he ended up getting everyone a set. I think they were super cheap, like $20 a bolt bag or something. Now they're way more expensive. But after Kenny left, they were really hard to get your hands on a set. You had to be in the clique, if you know what I mean. The bolt bags were pretty exclusive, to say the least. They were very hard to get your hands on a set after Kenny left. Now, Building America makes their very own bad at the bone bolt bags, right here. With extra leather on the bottom and inside them to reinforce it, and some extra Building America swagger. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but their logo's right here. It looks pretty cool. I actually have the version 1 and the version 2 bolt bag. I can show you where they've changed it to make it a little stronger and better. It's kind of hard to see at first glance, but there's more leather and more reinforcement in the bottom of this set. The main perks of these bolt bags are, number 1, they're bigger, so you can put more stuff in it. Here's a brand new white Klein bolt bag, the traditional one that we've been using for 100 years, right? This whole bolt bag, I can stuff inside of this bolt bag. Number 2. These bolt bags are a lot more rigid and they stay open. So you can squish it and they open up right away. These white traditional bolt bags stay closed. After like a couple weeks, they're just flat. It makes it really hard to get your hand in them and grab a bolt out or grab whatever you have in there out. These make it a lot easier for you to get stuff out. Huge plus. Number 3. Inside these bolt bags, they have a loop right here, okay? You can put your crescent back here. That's what I've done my whole entire career. Like I said, I've pretty much had these same bags my whole career. So I keep my crescent behind me. By the way, I made a video about my tool bag setup. So if you want to see that, check it out. I'll drop a link down below. But not only can you put a crescent wrench on one of them, on your other one, you can put a quick bolt like I usually do, or my radio. I put my radio there also. The sky's the limit. It's just another place to put something that you have. Last but not least, there's these little holes where you can attach a carabiner to put a striker or a double nut. Little side note, I don't carry a double nut on me at all times. I did for like 4 years and I never used the dang thing. So that's just a little side note. I have a double nut, I throw it in my little miscellaneous bucket, and if I need it, I'll go to my bucket, go grab it, but you don't always need a double nut, and you're not gonna use it connecting. Only time you're using it is if you snap the wrong point before it's plumb or something. So, little side note, I could ramble on and on about that. I should just make a video about the double nut, how to make it. Some people might not even know what it is. Let me know, comment down below if you don't know what a double nut is, and if you want me to make a video. But I'll get back on track, so this video is not like an hour long. Another side note, back on track, these bags come in different colors. I think right now they just have them in black and army green, but make sure to check on their website or comment down below if you want like a special color. If I get enough comments down below, they might just start making them a certain color. Like if everybody wants red, they'll probably make some red ones. Building America as a brand as a whole is a lot more than just bolt bags. They carry cool hats, they have masks, stickers, cool tool holders, they're pretty much a one-stop shop when it comes to ironworking stuff. Feel free to use the code CHANCEFABS for 10% off anything in their store. If you don't already follow them on social media, I'll drop links down below of their website, links to these bolt bags, and all their social media. Their Instagram, Facebook, they post cool pictures all the time. Inspirational ironworking stuff, just to get up in the morning on a Monday and do work, son. Also, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you comment down below, okay? Anybody that comments down below will be entered into the giveaway. Next Sunday, I will announce on my Instagram who the winner is. If you're not on Instagram, or don't follow me on Instagram, I will directly comment to you on this video that you won. And I'll get your address so you can get these bad man pajamas in the mail. But anyway, thanks for watching. As always, work safe. Have a good one.